Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code with Logic. In today's lecture, we are going to cover very important topics from chapter 1, Python Basic Part 2. So let's get started. The first topic is how to install Python and VS Code editor on Windows. The second topic is set up VS Code editor. And the third topic is writing and running our first program. So for installing Python on Windows, first we have to open our browser and search Python downloads for Windows. You will see this link python.org. In it, go to the downloads tab and install the latest version. You can see the file is downloading. Once the download finish, open the file and please check this checkbox add python.exe to path. Now click on install now. You can see the Python is installing on our system. Once the Python is installed, please open your command prompt to check the Python version is successfully installed on our system or not. So for that, type Python hyphen version. You can see that on my system Python 13.14 version is installed. So basically, if your Python is installed correctly, command prompt will show you the version, which is important to get to know the system has installed Python or not. Now install VS Code editor. Visit codevisualstudio.com and download for Windows. So open the browser and search VS Code download. Open this link code.visualstudio.com. Install for Windows, click it and click this button download. So your VS Code is downloading. Now once the VS Code has downloaded, open this file, accept the agreement, click on next, additional icon, create a desktop icon, next. Now the VS Code is installing. Once the VS Code has downloaded successfully, click on the finish. Now open the VS Code. Open the VS Code editor. Now we will set up Python in VS Code editor. VS Code, go to the extension panel and search Python. You can see that Microsoft Python is there. Install it. Once it's finished, that means the VS Code editor has successfully set up the Python. Now we will start writing and running our first program. So here on VS Code, we have to create a new file and save it with the name of firstprogram.py. Now the file name can be whatever we want, but the .py is the main thing which will always used when we create a Python file, which is a python.extension. Here we will write this Python. This is the syntax which we know as quotes, double quotes, hello, comma, Python, double quotes close, parenthesis close. Now explanation. Print a built-in function of a Python that displays output on the screen. Hello Python text message string. When you run this program, Python will show this message in the terminal. So it's mean hello, comma, Python is a text message which will show the output in the terminal. So let's get started in VS Code. Open new folder desktop. Control Shift and new one. We will name it Python Learning. Python Learn. We will name it Python Learn. Enter. Select this folder. Now, on this folder, we will create a new file. Python file. Now, type Python. Now, on this file, type print double quotes hello comma Python. Save this file Control S with the name of first program. Enter. You can see that our file first program.py has saved. First program.py our file has saved. Now click on this run button which will show the output. Now you can see the output is coming hello comma Python. So congratulations, we have successfully run our first program. Sure. So that's it for today lecture. Today we have learned Python installation, VS Code installation, setting up Python VS Code, and the last, writing first Python program. That I hope now you understand the fundamental of Pythons and its work. Please support my channel by subscribing to Code with Logic. Hit the bell icon and join me in the next video where we will start learning variables and Python syntax. Let's learn Python together. Also share my videos to your family and friends who wanted to learn Python language. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing and stay tuned for the next chapter.